Hello dear friends, welcome to Excel tutorial. I'll show you how to use file series in Excel. Now I'll write one. How to copy step by step this one. Just click the corner of the box and drag it to the downside. Okay. Just deselect and select the file series, and now see the magic. What happened? Okay. Now we are seeing that the serial number 15 I will delete 13 to 15. Okay. Now in the same way I will write the day format, how to use the day format in file series. Okay. Day, just I will write SAT means Saturday. You can write the full format. Just I write the 3 word for short name. Okay. Now I will use the 7 days name in file series. Okay. You see it is automatically selected. When you select the copy cells, the Saturday will come to the 7 serial. Select and see what is the difference between selecting copy cells and file series. Okay. And I will apply another format, that is the month format. We have 12 months in the year. I will write January, and I will use the file series. You see that is applied to the column. Okay. 12 months here. We'll learn another thing in this Excel tutorial. I will show you how to use the down, right, up and left. This option if you use to copy something to the right, left, upper and lower, same text if you copy there, then you can use this format. Okay. Just I will write the JSON statum, the acronym like I want to copy this to the right side, left side, upper side and down side. Okay. How to copy the same in easily? Okay. Now click here to copy this text to the right box. Just click right. Okay. You see, if you copy this text downside, just click the down. You see this is copied, and same way I'll apply up and left. Okay. This is how you can apply this field format and file series. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. I'll give you more tutorials about Excel. Thanks for watching.